see any firewood here?
I've not seen firewood.
That means there is no firewood inside there.
I've not seen any firewood.
Let's go, let's go.
You asked me to arrange the firewood now, that's what I'm doing.
Where is your brother?
You went to the farm now?
Make sure you don't go to that farm. Stay in this house. I'm going for women's meeting. Take this one. Go to Mama Emeka, buy a candy bread. Finish it alone. If the thing remains, throw it inside the bush. Don't give it to your brother. Let me go to meeting.
Say, Johnny.
Here, go back to the kitchen. Don't go to that farm, oh.
How do you know it's me now? How do you know?
You know that blood is thicker than water. I know it's you.
You're still working.
My brother, see the one that I have done.
This morning. Never even tired. Hope the woman have to give you advance.
She said that I must complete the farm before she will pay me.
Are you hungry?
I'm very, very hungry.
Mama gave me money to buy food to eat, so I bought something for you.
You mean you came with food?
Just close your eye. I'll surprise you. Open it. You bought bread for me. Hope you like it.
I like it.
Yeah, eat it, man. Obina, what's your hand now?
No. Do you want me to waste this water?
What's your bucket?
Let me.
Yeah,
join me now. I can't eat this thing alone now.
Let me cut. Cut first. Cut first.
Look now.
Okay.
I'm happy that I have a brother like you.
Obina, sometimes I wonder why Mama just changed automatically. Since your mother died, my mother have hate you totally. Why?
My brother, see, I know that corn rain can't shine. What God plans for me in this world, I promise. I know that one day it must surely come to pass. I overheard your mother yesterday when she was advising you, stay away from me. But I thank God that you didn't listen to her. But I know that this our love will keep on Rennie.
I know. And I said to myself, I will never do that. We'll be as brother. Nothing in this world can change us.
See, I pray that if God can do a miracle for us, so that we can move away from this village and move to the township. I'm just like our fellow men, make money, come to this village.
Brother, you know me too well now. I love school. I want to go to university like others. After schooling, I will now go to, business.
See me, I need business. Even though if you go to city, I'll be a businessman.
Well, it's okay. Let us pray that one day God will help us. We'll go to the city.
I pray so.
I will school, oh.
Your bread now.
Brother, I just want. What?
Let me continue my work before this woman.
It's true. She have not paid you, right? And let me start going now.
Let me keep this one and let her eat it.
Okay, I'll see in the house. But you see, oh, my blood brother. Bye bye.
Go.
I'm waiting for at home.
In fact, I can't understand today. Oh. Does it mean that all the animals has gone to strike? Huh? Me, a count of all people, cannot even kill a rat. Nti. Mbana na ade na mma. Mbana. Enwota, ba na egbu gi nti ma woke. Wa ga alata. Hey! Come here! Hey! Are you mad? I'm talking to you. Are you? I said, come on, shut up! Lie down there! Come here!
Take it easy.
Take what easy? Who are you? I'm talking to you.
Take it easy.
Take what easy?
I am Okechukwu, the son of Ikenga.
Okechukwu,
Yes.
son of Ikenga.
Yes.
I know Ikenga. Are you sure you are the son of Ikenga?
Yes, I am the son of Ikenga. Just take me to my house. I'll explain myself to you.
Okay.
I'm just coming back.
Are you coming back?
Yeah.
Let me take you to your place.
Oh.
Son of Ikenga. Like I'm tired. You are tired. Please, don't even say that because you see, I left my aunt now to take you to your home. Don't talk. I don't want to hear you are tired because if I hear it, walk fast now.
My brother, please. Please, let me rest.
Rest.
Yes, please.
You say you are who?
I am Okechukwu, the son of Ikenga.
Son of Ikenga.
Yes. Is anything the matter?
But I know all the sons of Ikenga.
Yeah, I'm one of his sons. I will explain to you when we get to the house.
But time is up. Let's start going. Walk fast now.
I'm coming.
one you are calling my name as if not go and groma. What is your problem?
You must be stupid. Are you mad?
Be stupid.
Yes.
I say, what is your problem? Who is this young man?
Explain yourself now.
Who are you?
I am Okechukwu, your elder brother.
Okechukwu, my brother.
Yes.
You are not my brother. My brother I know died in the city over 10 years ago.
Oh, no, it's not true. I did not die. I am Okechukwu, your eldest brother, the son of Ikenga. Look at me, I did not die.
I don't believe you.
But it's true.
My brother.
Yes.
This is unbelievable.
Just give me a cup of water. I will explain everything to you.
I should give you a cup of water.
Yes.
Okay. Follow me.
My brother, thank you very much.
Just thank you.
Just come.
Since you left this city over 10 years ago, there was a war that occurred in this community. They killed everybody they see. They killed our father, Ikenga. At the same time, they killed our own mother.
Unbelievable.
I was opportune to escape. If not that, they would have killed me. Since that time, I'm all alone in this house. Struggle to eat. Nobody to help me. But I thank God that you are back. You are welcome, my brother.
It's okay, my brother. Thank God I am back now. So this is how our parents died.
Yes. I will show you.
Out of the war that broke up 10 years ago when I left.
After I will show you the place they killed our own parents.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
I'll see you later.
Where are you going now?
I'm around.
Tell me where you're going.
I'll see you later.
Okay, no problem.
You see this place? This is the place those people, they camp. When you walk straight a little bit, there is a big river that demarcated us and those community.
You mean down there?
Yes, there is a big river there. And this is the land that caused the problem. In those years, hardly you see somebody walking along this road, because if they see any person walking along this road, they will kill that person and carry the body and put it inside this bush.
Unbelievable.
When you walk inside this bush, you will see a lot of skulls and dead human beings.
Unbelievable. You mean this is the land that caused the problem?
Yes, this is the land. Starting from that palm tree. Look at the big palm tree I'm showing you.
That one there?
Yes, starting from there till down the river. This is the land.
From there?
Yes, from
down to the river?
To the river. This is the land that caused the problem.
Finally, what about this land now?
Well, after they have killed our people, the government used this big land to compensate our community because of those people they killed.
That's good. That's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, brother.
I want to help this community.
How do you want to help this community?
Okonta, I have a lot of money. Despite the fact I came back home in disguise for people not to know I have money. I want to buy lands. I want to build schools, hospital, and more especially church. I want to create employment for our youths.
Well, it is a nice idea. In this our community, we have many lands. So which one are you talking about?
Okonta, I think I want to buy that community land that caused the issue between between our community and that community.
That land is very, very big. Like our people used to say, a journey of 1,000 miles started with a single step. In that case, tomorrow morning, I will take you to the new of this community. Then, from there, we will know what you do. And I like the way you disguise yourself so that people will not notice that you came back with big money. Like I said, tomorrow morning, I will take you to the know. Then from there, we will know what you do.
Thank you, my brother. After this night, tomorrow morning we'll get to the know, so that we'll now know the next step to take.
Yes, brother.
Thank you very much. I need to take my sleep now.
No problem. Let me carry all these seats.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I greet you. Oh no! No, I greet you. It's my brother. No, Emma, Asina, in your cook of money at sugar. Or do you come back?
Okonta, you are all welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm surprised with this visit. What is happening?
Oh, no.
Is it well at all?
Yes. Oh no, once again I greet you.
Thank you very much.
This is my elder brother, the missing Okechukwu, who traveled to the city 10 years ago. He's back. And we have a good news.
Good news?
Yes. He wants to buy the community land so that he will build hospital, schools, and church, so that the youth of our community, they will be employed. That is the reason why we visit you this morning.
You mentioned your brother that traveled.
Yes, sir.
The one we heard that he was missing? No.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
This story is indeed a very good story, and I love it. Community. My friend, are you sure you can make it?
Yes, sir. Like my brother said, I want to buy the community land to build companies hospital, more especially church, and also create employment for the youths of this community, because since I came back, I found out that the community is in stagnancy. Let me just create an employment for the youths. That is why we came.
This is wonderful. This is wonderful.
It's a good news.
And if God will help us and we'll get all these things, there will be no more stealing of goods, fowl, and all these things. That will be a thing of past. I think I love it. I love this. I love this with all my heart. But, Ogunta.
Oh no.
You know I am only a head of this community.
Yes, this
and I cannot take the bull by the horn on my own. So I think because this is a good news, I'm going to invite the community leaders. We'll sit down and talk over this. There and then we'll find out if there are people who were nursing such idea like our brother has. If there is, they will know what to do. If not, I will give him the go-ahead order through the approval of community leaders. Okay?
Oh no, thank you.
I like it.
Oh no,
yes.
We will take our leave.
We have to take our leave.
Please. No. Thank you very much.
Please. Oh no, we came with this.
Okay. My daughter.
Mind
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I love this.
You're welcome.
Oh
no.
Demen.
Thank you.
Yes, I wish you the best.
That leaf is for blood tonic. Nwata ọbara na-anọghị n'arụ. Ife ọnya afọ. Ifọchịa. You give it to the child. Within 30 minutes, he or she recovers from shortage of blood. Maka ndị ọgbanje na-enye nsogbu. I were ịpịachasịa ha. Do you know? Hi, ọnwa aha m. Ọnwa aha m. Abịa. Eze nwanyị osimiri bi na mmiri. Hey! O si ebe. Hey! Eze nwanyị osimiri. Osimiri.
What am I doing here? No. It's hard time for me to go.
Obinna is back.
Mama, my favorite son is back, oh. Nah, why is Mama now? Obinna, nobody's there. What are we to do now?
See, let's go to Master Organized house.
I think you are right.
Let's go and check. Ichogene. I'm looking for Ichogene. Papa. Don't die. You mean your father is late?
Yes, sir.
But the thing where they pay me be say, "Hi, hi," in the on top of your mother. Hi.
What? My mother?
Man. I'm not for.
Hi. Yeah.
My mother?
Even your papa. Lion. Sierra.
Finish him.
I be one fight the lion, no. But the devil say, man, no go.
No go.
And Bible say, that shall not kill, that shall not fight. If not, Allah. Either the lion kill me, I kill the lion.
Aye.
Allah. The lion does get back.
I love now. Love of lion.
I know. No, not even buy anything for us. Okay.
Now wow, because we don't explain everything to you. Why now? Take out, bro.
What are you waiting for? Go now.
This city. One day I must surely join you guys there. I'm not talking your joke. You need to. What brings you guys to my house this morning? The Great Hunter. See, the Great Hunter. We are just coming back from the city. We moved to our house. We didn't see anybody. We decided to move to Master Organized house to confirm what is going on. We saw his children. What they are telling us, we don't understand. We now decided to come to your house for you to clear everything for us so that we know what happened.
Okay, Dikeh. Do you know the funny part of it is that they said that our father died, and after the death of our father, our mother also died with their father. So it's really confusing us. I and my brother, we don't get it. Can you please explain more to us, please?
Chinedu.
Okay, Dikeh.
After you guys left for the city, strange thing started happening in this village. Mazi Ogene. That man, Chineke ga-akpọ ya ọkụ.
He say,
after the death of your father, Mazu Gene. Boronunu na kochi munu. One day I heard that your mother and Mazu Gene died. And the villagers and the elders concluded that their corpse will be thrown inside the evil forest. That is all that happened.
So this is how it happens.
You mean to say that what I heard was all true?
The great hunter, we are sorry that we didn't bring anything for you.
No problem.
But before we leave to the city, we'll come and see you.
So bad at all.
The great hunter, thanks for the information you gave to us. As you can see, we're just coming back from the city and we're not up our bags yet. So we should go home now. Later, we'll see you.
No.
No problem.
The great hunter of this land.
The great hunter.
See, I'm no more happy about what is going on here. How can we be sitting here while Mama and Papa is no more? See, we need to go back to the city.
My brother, what would you mind? I'm fine, Lord. I'm fine, Lord. No, I don't know. I want to order now. I to do city now. But come on, I but also I go to one where mansion.
Now look at the surprise that we planned to give Mama and Papa. We decided not to come back to this village with car, to put the villages in suspect, so that they will not notice that we have made money.
Yeah, I said so.
Now Mama and Papa is no more. The surprise now, we are not going to do the surprise again.
Yeah.
No more happy, we need to go back to the city. Please.
Yeah, we need to go back to the city. At least. Let us hustle more now. And meanwhile, we should go and meet the hunter now. Let's meet the hunter, then tell him that we're leaving tomorrow morning. So that we'll settle him. You know?
You can meet the hunter.
Yeah, now we need to go and see the hunter now.
Look at the hunter.
I'm telling you now, look at the hunter. I don't know my affair. I went and actually about